Viewers of Madei Kakuvi channel, welcome back. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and also share. Now, we are in Thames River. You can see activities in the river. You can see some people are using boats, others using the ship just for fun. And there are so many activities, and because it's a very hot day, it's a little bit warm, therefore it's really nice to be outside in a place like this. Living along the river, Thames River, is very nice. It's very interesting. Look at those buildings. So you know this is in London. Okay, so there are so many activities. And there are so many visitors that come to London. Hope you are going to come to London one time and see for yourself. And if you are in London, I know not that you are not able to see everything. Please join us and also take this tour with us in the River Thames. Okay, now viewers, relax and watch live along Thames River. That is a racing boat. It's not like the tourist ship you can see on that side. I think they can see me because everyone is having a binocular. What can you say about living along the rivers? Is it not very beautiful? It's really nice. Listening to the water and watching the boats through the window. You can use a ship like that one. You just sit on top, enjoy, and spend. It's a very busy river. tourist Kanko. This is an Uber. You call this one is an Uber. You just call it, it comes, it takes you wherever you want as a group or alone for weddings. All kinds of sheep, you find them here. The water is a little bit, there's a lot of, I think it's windy a little bit, and the water is very unstable. You see, it's very active, it's very busy now.